Today we are going to discuss the two important topics, that is corrosion and rancidity. First we will discuss corrosion. What is corrosion? Corrosion is the chemical process of decay of metals. It is the chemical process of decay of metals when they are exposed to atmospheric moisture and air. It is a chemical process of decay of metals when they are exposed to atmospheric moisture and air. Means this is the process of decay of metals. The process of decay of metals is called corrosion, and when this decay happens, when they are exposed, they are attacked by the atmospheric moisture and air. You see that you must have observed that when iron is left outside in the air, when we observe that a reddish brown powder is left as coated. It becomes reddish brown. So this is due to the corrosion of iron, and this is called rusting, जंग लगना जिसको कहते हैं. So this is rusting of iron, and this is corrosion. So corrosion of iron is called rusting. Like that, when silver is left outside, its black coating is formed. When copper is left outside, it is attacked by the moisture, air, and you see that the green coating is formed on copper. So all these are metals, iron, silver and copper, and you see that when this is attacked by the atmospheric air, moisture, so this is called corrosion. As a result of corrosion, as a result of rusting of iron, there is a great damage to all the bodies of car, vehicles, rail bridges, rail railings, ships. They are damaged by corrosion because they are left outside and they are attacked by the moisture and air. So there is a huge loss, and a large amount of money is invested for the repairing of all these things, all these car bodies, vehicle bodies, iron railings, ships, iron bridges. See, in order to replace the rusted, the body made of iron of these things, an enormous amount of money is spent every year. In order to prevent, the question is that how to prevent the rusting. The first that you know already that iron is painted. When the coat of paint is applied on the surface of iron, then this prevents rusting. So you see that all the car bodies, vehicle bodies, iron railings, windows, grills, these are coated with paints. And also the oiling and greasing is also done to make the various tools made up of iron to prevent rusting. And also the process of galvanization, that is the coating the surface of iron articles with chromium, zinc, nickel, etc. That is called galvanization. And electroplating is also done with corrosion resistant metal. So all this you will study in details in the chapter of metallurgy. So this is all about corrosion. Now the second topic is rancidity. What is rancidity? Rancidity is the slow oxidation of oils and fats present in the food materials. That is the slow oxidation. You see that the food materials that is prepared with fat and oil, all the food materials containing fat and oil, that when it is left for some time, left for long time, its taste become bad, its smell become bad. So this is due to rancidity, because this happens due to the slow oxidation of oils and fats. Also, where are the oils and fats? That is present in the food materials. So this is the slow oxidation of, this is not a fast oxidation, this is the slow oxidation. So the slow oxidation of oils and fats that takes place in the food materials, that is the oils and fats present in the food materials, and that those oils and fats undergo slow oxidation, and their taste become bad and their smell become bad, the taste and smell changes. So this process is called, rancidity. So what are the factors that affect the rancidity? That is oxygen, light, heat, water, and microbes. So in order to prevent the rancidity, what we do, that some processes are there. That first one is that antioxidants are added. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are the compounds that prevent oxidation, that slows the process of oxidation. So by adding the antioxidants, the process of rancidity is prevented. Second is vacuum packing. When the foodstuffs are packed in airtight containers, when there is no entry of air or oxygen, that is called the vacuum. So in that packet, when the foodstuff is packed, that is called vacuum packing. So that vacuum packing prevents the rancidity. And also by packing it, keeping the nitrogen, replacing air by nitrogen. In the air-tight packet, nitrogen is kept. That nitrogen is also the stops that prevents the process of rancidity. So you see that the chips that you purchase, the chips in the market, that the chips that are packed, airtight packed, and that is filled with the nitrogen in that packing. The packing of chips that you see, that is the packed with, the air is replaced by nitrogen. So that nitrogen prevents rancidity. And also the process of refrigeration. When the foodstuffs are kept in deep freezer, then this also prevents the process of rancidity. So this is all about the rancidity. Thank you.